Deciphering Vain, more than just vanity. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a word that you might have come across often but might not fully understand: vain. No, it's not just about looking into the mirror. Let's explore its different meanings and uses together. The term vain is an adjective, and its most common meaning relates to someone being overly concerned with their appearance or abilities. It's the idea that someone thinks very highly of themselves, often without justification. For example, she's so vain, she probably thinks this song is about her. He spends hours in front of the mirror. He's so vain. While the literal meaning is about self-conceit, vain has a broader application in English. Here are some examples. 1. In vain. This phrase means without success or uselessly. For example, I tried to convince her in vain, she wouldn't listen. 2. Take someone's name in vain. This phrase means to speak about someone without due respect or in a casual or careless manner. It often refers to religious contexts, especially using God's name in a disrespectful way. Vain doesn't always have a negative connotation. Depending on the context, it can be neutral. For instance, when we say, "He died in vain," it signifies the tragedy of an unfruitful death, not necessarily a self-absorbed person. However, it's essential to be cautious and sensitive to the context in which you use it. Calling someone vain directly might be offensive, as it implies they are narcissistic or self-absorbed. The English language is filled with words that have depths and nuances, and vain is one of them. Whether you're using it to describe someone's excessive pride or a fruitless effort, understanding its shades of meaning will certainly enhance your communication skills. We hope this exploration of vain has been enlightening. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.